Hello. Now we're going to be talking about the organ systems in the body. Number one, we are going to describe integumentary system. Integumentary system. What is this system about? So, for you to understand, let's mention the organs first in the system. So it's made up of the skin, the hair, nails, and the sweat glands. So it's the outer part of the body. And what is the function of this system? It protects against environmental hazards. It also helps in regulating body temperature, hence why somebody sweats is to regulate the body temperature, and also provides sensory information. That's why you can quickly touch a stove and you feel the hotness. It's because it's the integumentary system that provides that sensory information. Then the second system is the skeletal system. This is self-explanatory, right? The bones. So the organs involved are the bones, cartilages, the ligaments. Ligaments are the small joints that joins up the bones. And then we have the bone marrow, which is something inside the bone. What is the function? Walking, of course. So it provides support and protection for the other tissues. It stores calcium and minerals inside the bone marrow and also forms blood cells. That also happens inside the bone marrow. Then we have muscular system. What are the organs of the muscular system? So, mainly in the muscular system, we are talking about different muscles in the body. There are a lot of muscles in the body, and they work together with the skeletal system, right? For providing the movement and also for providing the protection and support of other tissues, generate heat that maintains the body temperature. Then we have the nervous system, that is the brain, the spinal cord, and the peripheral nerves, right? So what is the function of the nervous system? Direct, immediate responses to stimuli, right? Coordinates or moderate activities of the organ system, provides and interprets sensory information about external condition. So, in summary, nervous system informs us what is happening around us. So that's why when you will feel a quick sting of a mosquito and then you would want to quickly kill it, thanks to the nervous system, because it has fast-tracked the process of sending a stimuli from the skin to the brain. The brain was quickly able to interpret, this is dangerous, you need to kill it. So that is the function of the nervous system. It works very fast. And then we have the endocrine system. The organs of the endocrine system, they are many. Pituitary organs, pancreas, the gonads. Gonads are in the reproductive system also. And then we have the endocrine tissues in other systems as well that we will go through as we study through the module. And then we have the thyroid gland and the adrenal glands. So what is the function of this endocrine function, of this endocrine system? So directs long-term changes in the activities of the organs, adjust metabolic activity and energy use of the body, controls many structural and functional changes during development. So, the difference between the nervous system and the endocrine, the nervous system is very fast. The endocrine it's slow. Hence, we say directs long-term changes in the activities of organs. And it also adjusts the metabolic activity and the energy use of the body. But that we shall go in depth as we focus on the system later. Now I'm just giving you a quick summary of each system. Cardiovascular system, of course, the heart, blood, and your blood vessels. What does cardiovascular system do? Distributes blood cells, water, and dissolved materials, including nutrients, waste products, oxygen, and carbon dioxide. Distributes heat and assists in control of temperature. So in a nutshell, the heart is involved in pumping of blood, and the pumped blood now will be distributed throughout to the body, because inside the blood there is water, there is nutrients, there is all those good stuff that are needed by the other organs. But it also helps in eliminating out the waste products, which include the carbon dioxide and the waste. And yeah, that's it with the cardiovascular. Let's get to the lymphatic system. What are the organs of the lymphatic system? The spleen, thymus, lymphatic vessels, lymph nodes, and tonsils. This defends against infection and diseases and returns tissue fluids to the bloodstream. So there's two functions involved here. So the lymphatic system has got a function to protect us against infection. That is the first aspect. But also the second aspect, it helps with the circulatory system. The circulatory system is also referred to as the cardiovascular system. So it helps with the cardiovascular system because it returns tissue fluids back into the bloodstream. And then respiratory system, breathing, lungs, your nose, your alveoli, the trachea, nasal cavities, all those are the organs of the respiratory system. What is the function? Delivers air, provides oxygen to the bloodstream, removes carbon dioxide from the bloodstream, produces sounds for communication, that is through the help of larynx. Or if you remember from the high school, we used to call it the voice box. Then the digestive system. What are the organs of the digestive system? Who doesn't know? The teeth, the stomach, small intestines, the pancreas, the large intestines, the liver. These are my favorite organs. Why? Because they process and digest food, absorb and absorb water, absorb nutrients, and stores energy, right? So this is the function that keeps us healthy, because all the nutrients are being absorbed and are being stored through this system. Then we have the urinary system. What are the organs of the urinary system? The kidneys, ureter, urinary bladder, and the urethra. What is its function? To excrete the urine, to remove urine. Excrete waste products from the blood. Control water balance by regulating volume of urine produced. That is why when one drinks a lot of water, sometimes you'll go to the bathroom too often, because the other function of the urinary system is to regulate the amount of water in the body. It shouldn't be too much. But also, if one doesn't drink enough water, you will go to the bathroom, because now the urinary system is trying to retain as much water as possible by limiting you to go to the bathroom. And the other function, it regulates blood, iron concentration, and the pH. Then we have the male reproductive system. What are the organs? Testes, the penis, the scrotum, and so on. What do? They produce male sex cells. Male sex cells is actually sperms. And they also produce hormones. They are also for sexual intercourse, for pleasure, and also for reproducing. What are the organs of the female reproductive system? We have the ovaries, the uterine, we have we have the uterine, the vagina, we have the clitoris, and the mammary glands. What do? They produce female sex cells. Those are the eggs. They support developing embryo, provide milk to nourish newborn infant, and they are also for sexual intercourse, for pleasure. Okay, that's it for the systems of the body. If you have any questions, I will answer in the comment section. We shall go into details into all these systems throughout the module. Today was just the introduction into each system. Cheers.